Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce a cultural poster titled Story of Kutai Cultural Heritage in Kalimantan. This poster summarizes various important elements that shape the cultural identity of Kutai, one of the region within history in Indonesia. 1. Poster background. I create this poster with a concept of 3D illustration and the fresh, green, and vibrant natural landscape of Kalimantan. Each cultural element is strategically strategy like strategy strategically placed within the poster so that this is easy to see and understand, depicting the relationship between the Kutai people and their natural and environment, environment, environment and story. 2. Lamin house. The first element is rumah lamin or lamin house, a traditional Dayak house. This house is known for its length because it is inhabited by many families under one roof. Its philosophy is togetherness, unity, and mutual cooperation. Its cup ornament depicts the relationship between humans and nature and the spirit of their an- ancestor. In the poster, I positioned Lemon House at the top left to give the impression that custom and tradition are the main foundation of Kutai society. 3. The Kingdom of Kutai. In the center is an illustration of the Kutai Kingdom, the oldest Hindu kingdom in Indonesia. This element is placed in the center as the center of Kutai history and identity. This kingdom symbolizes the glory of the past, the wisdom of King Mulawarman, and the war of Kalimantan in the early history of the archipelago. The Yupa inscription and important reliefs show how advanced civilization was at that time. 4. Nasi Bukepol. On the right is Nasi Bukepol, a Kutai specialty. The dish symbolizes family warmth and local wisdom. The traditional cooking technique reflect how the Kutai people preserve and casual worship and authentic flavor. These elements show that culture comes not only from grand story but also from everyday food. 5. Jap- Japin dance. Moving to the lower left, there is an illustration of the Japin dance, a traditional dance of Kutai. The movements are graceful and elegant, reflecting reflecting the character of the Kutai people and their respect for social value. This dance also saw the harmony between Malay and Dayak culture. Its basement or the Lemon House saw the relationship between traditional custom and cultural art. Sheikh Mahakam River Dolphin. At the bottom of the poster is an illustration of the Mahakam River dolphin, the only freshwater dolphin in Indonesia. The dolphin symbolizes the preservation of nature and the harmony of the Mahakam River ecosystem. Its question reminds us of the importance of protecting the environment so that this natural heritage remain alive for future generations. In the design, the dolphin is placed near the river to reinforce the meaning of its natural habitat. 7. Erau Festival. Next on the right side is the Erau Festival, an annual celebration of the Kutai Kartanegara Kingdom. This festival has a strong philosophy of gratitude, unity, and respect for ancestors. I place the element of the Erau Festival more toward the center to show that this festival is a bridge between the past and the present. 8. Custom clothing. At the bottom right is an illustration of custom clothing. Traditional Kutai attire, the black and gold colors represent the glory and triumph of the Kutai kingdom. The presence of male and female figure symbolizes balance in the social life of the community. This element concludes the section on human culture in the poster. 9. Closing. Overall, this poster aims to illustrate that Kutai culture is not only about the history of the kingdom but also about custom, art, food, the environment, and community celebration. Kutai is a reflection of the strong relationship between tradition and nature that continue to thrive today. Thank you for listening to the story of Kutai presentation. Hope, Hopefully, this poster can help introduce and preserve the rich culture of Kalimantan to more people.